and we are still praying say ombeko kata no nyina ombehye ni munyam. I learned say few players be na more discuss it, and we are praying. We will be happy to see them. But I think it's always a special feeling say the Black Stars or Kotoko will be playing at home, and then the workers, the joy, the year, human cry is special. So we will be expecting that.
Okay. Young pitch as well, not to uncommon.
Good. On the pitch, it was amazing an experience I had personally, because now my first time getting involved with such a thing. And within this short time, Shamoni, the management and the team, every week you be over. Make sure say the Wembley of the nation here, Baba Yara.
Okay.
And he's always here to see what is going on, and as a motivation to me especially. And the BR we are on the pitch. You got to a point along the line, say inka Kotoko, and you can face a breaky kakra, normal corner, minor works, because you're something we call pitch maintenance manual.
Okay.
I see a full, but now say you break your back. It's more ya Kotoko ni can face a anchor. To do baby nama pitch na break a crack. It make a crazy so, but we work with the consultants. I think say yenyina yenim no omo na ye pitch no.
Okay.
When we we entered into an agreement with them. We signed say one consultants for the pitch maintenance. Into the BR no omo offer advice as to what to do. Occasionally they come down themselves to have a first hand information and then see what's going on. Until and then along the line, the Director General was working behind the scenes for us to have an MOU, a collaboration with the KNUST Horticulture Department. And I think it was a huge thing.
And when it in MOU, no, Obi or TOFA, Obi or share with TV. So MOU, horticulture for no dear no more.
In fact, they are into anything about growing of natural grass, that kind of thing. And there you know a sign you know there here a pie person boy research. Pitching it to the beer, not foreign weeds. You know, some of us here the issue koso inti a bio and a bets as so bass will be all the seeds of different ways say banty.
And no man.
Yes. Inti such competition we see nibi has stubborn. Nutrients na woman as a grass and enjoy na we see mum. Inti tembia no as a ye ejuma so. Inti the research ebema womo LED how best we can control foreign weeds. How to manage the pitch. Though consultant in a good job, we will need a serious research works so that
Sompa Sports,
a type of weeds are resistant to other materials, weather, and that kind of thing. You involve yourself with them, and then again, they deal with students.
Okay.
And the nature of their studies, say more practical work. So we also offer our pitch to them and even the facility.
Okay.
Practicals we will even be glad if every week, every 2 weeks, or every month they come round. They lead us, we lead them. We do the work together. So I think it's a good MOU and an understanding that we've signed, and we know say having them around us is going to help a great deal.
There's in Chechemune say one more the science abode mu nyansape one more hwehwehwehwem na mfie ne kwan ayefa so duane ye ana nwure bia efu eka mfie ne ho a aye dininya ema ne ntimi mfu ye ema ye ntimi nya no se ne yepe nti omo ye san hwehwemu na ɛho ɛyɛ research results na ayɛ findings no na ɔmo de abeto dwa na afei ɔmo apply into theoretical and practical de ɛwɔ book mu ana afei de ɔmo de dwuma nkasa na oka bibi about consultant ɔno so for the pitch So how does the MOU now money horticulture department ne wono ene consultant ne dwuma no embebo bra I say when you kuku da me no a oni omo yi na de dwuma we ka we na we aka we emfa bibia sa mfamba.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think say there's a wise saying in our Kan language say namdodo on senkwe.
Okay.
And with the consultancy work on into research so much.
Okay.
But with such an institution, a school need research and kasa. Inti research and do findings, but they will bring their suggestions, consultants also they need here. But I know crab boama kakra ni issues or pitching no young closing that kind of thing. No, it will get to a point such a thing will be to the minimal we say, if not completely wiped out. I think so. They can coexist and work. Yes, I believe so.
Okay, pass adiam baby ano sikane de beye aban na ho keka te sei why na adwen say obey ne tentem so aboa amamatimi aye manase ba bia mugina because season na nka ekoso a anka gay proceeds kakra mobility deductions bi bebem kakra nanka modie no naketa for some time. We know how if you want to get money from the government, nyome also pass it through and sana won set miaka. And one sem to say a bit delay more yet then in case the government and farm, but what is the plan B?
Madam Asi, I think government is doing his part. Ministry is also a especially the Director General so on that. Even your Chinese curriculum by aircraft will be on the grounds here, but yeah, whatever it is, I belong to a different institution and son
okay.
And I buy the idea about in Druya, you don't sit and fold your arms, you still try and do something. To me, no, yes, an experience I may order that until we are always working and the government is supporting, and we pray that ombre of a coastal support here. Until we are doing our best.
Okay. Yenya Rasika semi dear. In Komobi or Honoma, you're sure second face as supporters in the Kumasa Sante Kotoko supporters itia. Momani Bajim Huye pass ubitimi achich mukakra ede amomo. The Kuta ye a functional statement. Dear was Kumasi Sante Kotoko ne Accra Lions. Esia Kain. Baba Sports Stadium on 12 February 2022. Na yesha ticket mo printy in terms of 60 Ghana cedis tickets. Na 500. 40 Ghana cedis tickets. 500. 30 Ghana cedis tickets. 1,800. 20 cedis tickets. 7,000. No crane say 60 no VIP. 40 VIP wings. 30 center line. Ana 20 cedis poechi. It may come obi ati asia. VIP omo print 500 tickets. VIP wings no omo print 500 tickets. Ana center line omo print 1,800 tickets. Ana poechi omo print 7,000 tickets. Na uhwe sika e wosan ke free sa ticket ni mu ba 244,000 Ghana cedis. Na ne ton no out of 500 VIP tickets are printed here no omutimi tomu 220. Ana out of VIP wings 500 are printed here no omutimi tomu 59. Then center line out of 1,800 tickets printed no Kumasi Asante Kotoko NNC for omutimi tom 408. Then Puachi out of 7,000 omutimi eton 1,440 tickets, which means out of the 244,000 estimated say was omunsetimi kano 56,600 cedis. Ana NSA ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the end of the day omutimi eton na tickets e catchiri no o check here be 187,400 Ghana cedis na eno na ye hweye no more functional statement you will be to say less counterfeit. You can't less counterfeit that you change na na say more kinds come say fake be any baby and you hear more when they dash that means counterfeit be with you buy then gross proceeds e ho na ehunya me kakra you will be a dikan fan less VAT which is 11.1% of the amount of money per 1/9 na calculate ewa ha
sina shamo sanity VAT component 11.1
no
you 1/9
you 1/9
yeah.
multiply by 56,600
I know say VAT is around 17
yeah
1/9 times 100 around 11.1
I think
it means a moment so
I think the person who did the calculation, you know, is wrong. But you know VAT is more than 11.1%. That's why I'm saying.
Can I come in there?
Yes, I'm consider Mukurawa.
Yes, I can calculate tomorrow.
Abino, any National Sports Authority, they considered a lot of stuff before.
Okay.
Into this type of structure, the function statement sample na ewo ho no a fixed and agreed
Sompa Sports
government and then NSA the ma teams no I think if we want to use the fixed VAT we na teams no best so far until we reduce something that they agreed up there or every time we just put in the figures and then
titin sembi say na abina monteso 18.5 in the one say it is not 18.5% VAT rate no
yes and this
11.1
yeah also no that is what we've been using
throughout the whole season
okay
until we get a signal from government say it has been appreciated or that's why you home be no we don't temper with temper with
when you bet you say what to be on because I know for some businesses in special cases Sani Freno abina mabe 3.5% flat rate God football is saying 3.5% asanke you I hope you want to have something like that because you see these clubs as partners
yes
yeah so the way central need I know you know a lot of agitations that football teams have done.
Yeah.
And this thing they have spoken about is here. But you see, there are laws governing all these things. And you do baby, but to some extent.
Okay.
But be or contra. I know say in as much as the government would want, Senka obey no. Also here. Sika for development and a revenue because I am not target to we shouldn't take this thing away from them say VAT they have targets to meet see if you have told me say at the end of the year I should be able to raise 500 cedis why am I first of Sika so me one of catch say we there na there to so fabra say to so na manya who is to be blamed into only be discuss it now more to me my arrival at a certain level be and I think that is what went on.
So football clubs need complaining, especially more complaining on radios. What will be the appropriate way? Quite Papa Ben on bet me afaso to say or more communicate some of these challenges or more fame. They say VAT flat rate here can. What channels next or more far to ensure that
they have a body,
they will be heard.
They have a body. Say more body. Apart from body, because the clubs have Gaka.
Okay.
Until through Gaka to the FA, FA to the ministry, then it will get to where it has to get to.
Into mobile the wrong quarters.
Oh, of course. Yeah, dear. We cannot do any adjustments. So we are just an agency of government. Yeah, I will be a sinifie.
Okay.
Now we are tenant. Those are so mami.
Caretaker.
Wait, my to be rent. You cannot. You can see can deal and NSA deal.
Okay.
Like all can hold the components. What do you call it? The air come as a function statement.
Yeah, function statement.
Everybody, where the police, military, Red Cross, Obia one of the Aramewa in this. Obia they are fixed. And it is done in the full glare of everybody.
Okay.
Kotoko, Bomacha, Omo rep.
Oh.
Etiho. Who bomb dog? Over then work for Nisika. Some years are then they probably are stooges. Oh, by one and they need to be sacked. And I think they are not sacking them because they are doing a perfect job for them.
Okay.
There are so many misconceptions going on around, and I like it. Say we know Abba
because
and
season.
Oh.
Omo be projecte omo match proceeds no mo che mo gross and the net just ya titi film we say the commentary out there and then say man na wa say na sika no the NSA for atini na NSA for atini
that is a misconception.
That you know show one there now can concerning sika no say bia na oyi fira now do fear jubi so on hwechi na ha nipa no no ntimi fa ne penti but omo so clubs no bitimi afa mo so ama omo ha na du aban anim.
Oh, and I make her say, Obetima fa, Nika, ya bayo.
I mean,
Open say, quite my wa, and ya woo, and ya kotoko can't deal with a bind directly.
Yeah,
they will have to do it through their superiors. Tina make sure Mukwan say, a galka.
Okay,
and ya jay, yeah, the agent home my buying. You understand? 2% quite by oh, as a son, through your father.
Yeah.
Through probably your grandmom, then it gets to where it has to get to.
Okay.
Now, no. Abana take a decision to get to Kotokono through ministry, transcends to us. Now,
okay.
That is what we represent.
Okay. But I'm not to an sada.
Oh, sir, on the basis of say you didn't come, you say yeah, they say it, but. And when I check, they should use the right channel. The channel should be there. For example, when my boss was talking, Muso Kacha say, and Kai say, but a buyer, no, I buy tears to Frank Kakao. I'm a mom fixed rate to be a Yemfanyama.
Okay.
At least what you say a day, and I'm on almost to is getting somewhere. But I think they will need to whip the thing the more. Say, well, Parliament, I say, will be a chief whip. I'm somebody. Ombona partner na content and I'm a Japan into Omon Koso na problem but I want to diffuse something today. Mo bia nya na dwen se sika ekokotoko matches o boni ade no say ya ti sika eko NSC for and TTD we can't do that per ade na dia to any checks and balances wo no untimi ni sika no you can't squander any money. That does not even look. The government will even sack you. They will come after you.
Auntie, I can't actually her phone. Any more mutia no joining on Sompa TV. I won't say a function statement on the Ediato so. And I think say we Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Accra Lions. Now we can fight.
We can face an out to you.
I'm part of that.
Can face an out to you. I think say. Almost I'm to be in family can face an out to you. So Pedrias and I did now joining a live on Facebook. Now what take you pen now church will be now and say on TBBS no busa because there are a lot of deductions are what we was then NSA and Omunia Stadium near and Omutiska by heart and it's kind of far we crano ebema man for be brilliant how Obi bomb match. There's a match day at Baba Sports Stadium. They were a city senior.
Overcover. I'm in from unze schools in it. Me me te one am share dey ko. DJ finish enjoying game near 1-1.
Okay.
Ti no ne dey menye fi oboase. Ti mo me ento aso.
At gas. At gas ana. I do dem fi at gas. Any idea?
Yes. Interestingly, mo share a year that's year. I'm say you tear for no. You best real. I am more dear no more share and they say, yeah, dear, never was your pan.
The Nyan.
Omosha, they will understand and say, and easy.
Okay.
It's not easy.
Sanity, dear. Madam Roma, on say you drew VAT no hono. Sanka mo dear befem. Na much re levy cry yet ye. Much expenses and what goes in. Balance and need the about say NSC 10% near Kitu Ebina, can you beji who ye pa? Because I addition any other chere. It's Madam Roma.
Mesre, I would like to say it in two folds. We have something they call gross.
Yeah.
And no na buying taxes, yetiti and free.
Okay.
And that part we don't temper with. We go strictly by that. Near titi. Okay. Yetiti and we call something net.
Okay.
The next time I am in the beche ya, you ever have you know, me the account on there about sikasam dia ono na ebetimi ama terms na mo be much more convinced. Then the net, you know, breakdown no security services, everything it goes into no so and then omo step by step. So mo titini nyina bibia the little that is left and na team no benya ne die. Especially when we are having a match, there were two things we have to consider. Either the team agrees to rent the place or we go into partnership. Because of say partnership, no, and then I say sorry. Example, Kimfesa Boni enya 102 Ghana cedis and 11 cedis 80 pesos. Enya 11 cedis 80 pesos pay. We can't complain because we've agreed on principle say
a partnership.
If not, Keveka say obe rent here between 100,000. We nyam faso a wodia, we lose here for ourselves. But partnership no, and only the side I am NAC as an institution no, you break a crack. See, you buying a susum, and we know to say teams in this so mu bleedy. Until government is so crack. Necessary to stay in the place in terms of keeping the place neat. Keeping the place intact. Now, teams in this so and one here or mukakra. Until we find another time, you ever na after a breakdown or
because me 5% PFM.
If you could highlight it a little bit, on say the balance became 102472.
Okay.
No, the balance. After total expenses.
1070.
Yeah. Then even after that, we deducted 5% share for security, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And here 54.
Yeah, we are in the net. After security, the net, no. 1018, mebwa.
Okay.
Na sa 1018, no. Emu 70% or how much chemu eduoson ekoma home team, no. Mebwa. Kim Pfizer.
Tonina 712.
712 CDs. 70%.
Okay.
Wow. Then 10% due to GFA. And the show on 102
CDs.
1 million. And a two CDs account. And a 5% share due PLB. And we have 52. 5% to GACA 52. And a NSA 10% share due NSA. And say 102. To say there, you need GFA. So you see, it's like bra. So when I'm channel. Oh. You know, and I to that then toiletries. What did Tiro ABCC? Baby, I said nipa ba.
Me who other expenses be a mattress match expenses na say into bracket C attached.
Yeah, no.
I know you're doing.
What that is what because I don't have it.
Okay.
I cannot explain.
But
But
give a little bit of education there. Be a honor say in penny 4 bar. Ebi a Kimfesa na kotoko. Omne agree so this particular match we are expecting this group of people.
Okay.
So mobile musio yento nsuo. Yento be a few drinks.
Okay.
On few occasions, you know, yento nsuo yento drinks are other expenses. Maybe you are Inti be about 200 Ghana, 400 Ghana. Kotoko match is their times a big. Inti be 2,000 Ghana. That is the other expenses.
Depending on dignitary.
Yes.
Kudama or more baneka, but someone might say more
always an agreement between the two parties, NSA and the team. Tibi okra kotoko say e mo won etoba. Ebi so ha ye be print car park no eno nye
GFA na deba.
Inti eno so quantity e be print no ya the cost ne ba. Kotoko Kimfesa, they've never had issues with us because Ayana says can be insignificant and yekese maybe 200 Ghana, 150 Ghana. And only the share other we say.
Me who component be or statement in as well. I think that going forward, you be year fee so cry, which is printing cost. Ticket.
Yeah. So we
going forward,
because of
e-tickets into this thing you don't.
A bear plus the amamo Anna.
Even that's e-ticket into printing as a
printing as a so it means a beboa.
Of course.
Because ticketing costs neck expenses.
Of course.
In fact, e-ticketing no going forward, I think say a better. Only say afe na for fronti
Mafo nyanti ase
bi wo ho a mpenifo na hwe atoto eno de ye ministry no ne
NSA
any
ego
for no so few things are you no you know more discuss it and we pray that going forward no we should see much improved e-ticketing stuff.
Oh, okay.
No because first now GFA I was always complaining say quantity of tickets on the ban bi o ha mentias match no a low key match no more printing be brave you be we enton 1/10 of it cry they can nyina you waste na ya titis can free sikana yenya na nyi skatitiri bia
enti anya mo kra na mo print
no
enti eno ase obi ya print be 1000 ya dey ya print 1000 ne boy say na mo matia
no mo say teams need a request quantity no before they start the league and we were waiting say can league in and there it will be one key thing and Kebeka who say going forward we should be involved so that the more sikantete in the kwenu the more they affect NSA.
Oh, okay.
They affect us also to keep the place in shape now and it's difficult for us.
Oh, okay.
What can be about say money clubs in the core partnership? Chairman Shamo.
Hello sir.
So in terms of our partnership agreement, you know, what role now we play in promoting air games in the zone?
We do. I for one, I do.
Okay. May
I go to radio stations. I do. And we have Facebook accounts and maybe ade ya na mafo mo ye we na mo twa na see we say dey say na na ya mresli na mo ye fly say come some person che say me penny
no cray we penny so
na ampa ti flyers no yeah e bi okwa ya na design fast na design na e dey atoto so and we are lucky say most of our staff no for example me wo ho how the mamia sports yi nyina me wo so and with one click is there and minim say man for nya omo enka because we all would want to promote.
And I think we are worried say mo nya dom na mo ye be worried,
very worried. As I said, my nya why to agu this season bra apart from omo wo payroll so say you know we also employ casuals at the end of the year so moniska and amasambwa because we need to keep the place clean. I say enya easy we are we will have to go into the little IGFs that we've been able to raise to pay them because on the sun smile also my advance why
okay
also nyina ko central for no gina omo yina no a obi wura so ahwe say na keep on neat why we want to pay the person you have to but at the end so sikana so we have to but we will write something to let everybody know. Say auditors come around to explain. Say because of this and this and that. That is why we have to go into our IGFs to pick this amount to make payments.
Okay.
So it's there.
Okay. Senior, quickly on this. The Edika, would you to me pass on the fashion statement by before e-ticketing, before and after impact in it to say, and number 2. We a senior marketer for the NSA Ashanti region. Mijitum ye pass more targets. Target near normally say clubs where Bama supporters are stadium. Another 10 years say mubeti mi aton ade kakra bi stadium mo kakra. Mujitum ye say this year munya problem with especially one case bi by pitch panels. Money scoreboard. Na a certain product that so. And a pitch panels no say be so. Clubs ne buy no mo so monte ase because some come sponsors so. Some issues in all of these things, you know, and who so to say?
It became an issue because, and I would say it was lack of understanding on both of us. Two parties, you know. And said there are certain things that we should have done that we did not do. There are certain the way they probably also approached the thing was wrong.
What didn't you do?
Probably not say a catch say we are coming to do this. Almost omante. I thought, say, probably on the high level, no, that discussion would have been done. Nipa to human error, which
so what admit to say more 40.
Yeah,
the NSC 40.
Yes, say na say nanko, and the approach probably wasn't the best. So on the match day, also be say uku tutuagu supporters, and uku tutuagu. No, mra after the match, a bit of a transfer, you understand? Jojo, because we are partners. The partners, so they are probably these things even come out after everything, everything is solved. And what will be
Debbie.
Yeah. So it's
okay.
solved.
Now say me twemu wo maybe na me hu sesisi ano baba stadium nanka se nim sei no. New product kakraka bibo ho.
No product.
I say you once any more ka baby na first na oil product bi na na da ho. Any mu say na kasa no. The one that faces stadium Mascarpone first junction. Once na ehon na first fight on na bo.
Na time so.
Aha. The time ba ma hu a new one.
Yeah.
Ebo ho. Eno no san your man keten no. Ehun sika sem ti say.
Oh, sir, about you have to account. You have to account.
Yes, sincerely speaking, eno nyina na boy me maintaining your stadium no. If we intend relying only and solely on gate processor, your share near 10% now, enka stadium never collapse. Because of that, we call something senior seekers on Kabibi IGF. These are some of the things I support. Your BA stadium no na to get companies on board na adding.
Okay.
Until I lucky say yenya ba ko. There's another one in the pipeline and also be why. So the league ni hono no. And na e be sustain the.
And no be person you be acquirement on faso.
Oh, buy a hono man because I'll get in touch with the marketing side and not sure officially ba.
Yeah, we go out to prospect. We do prospecting.
Yes.
Okay. We go to them. Yeah.
They are all welcome on board and you love to work with them.
All right. So now Oka e-ticketing me nua akomia bisa about e-ticketing no before and after its implementation in terms of gate process. They are more realizing no improvement abimana.
One side that makes improvement by the printing of the tickets from GFA are now wasting here be wasting it as go but these ones almost generate say 1,000 or 2,000 or 200 crowd they can waste because any hard copy
virtual
yes I think say no save here to some extent and then gates in they say free ticket
between before e-ticketing and after e-ticketing
but the only thing I be pleading on this going forward no supporters no omu nyina mwa nyina yembra stadium no if the numbers are down omu numbers in enko enimu a it boils down to nothing
e-ticket ne ba maboka na
no not at all. I won't say that
analysis kana na munya from before that ne swati
a little bit an improvement
a little improvement upon how anamoton ticket will get by nye bebre a little improvement
omu so nye adwuma kakra bi nka ho na
okay kotoko bebo Africa oka ho asem se eho behia pass ye bo Africa no Kumasi ne na o ne FM aye nhyehyɛ amode gu akwemu kotoko betimi abo me pese o hye Kumasi for aye bo ye betimi abo Africa no Kumasi
nyame de yan kwache ya ye gidi se kotoko bebo
dia na ma onya sa rehye no gidi any friend
a few things are calf demanding say yenye no almost about 92-93% here. The only thing I hear network signal
internet no
and if only service providers in Mimbodin you have because someone can be and I learned some more by and you may be take a month. It is a base approval no about there quickly on by and then dressing rooms in this one more year. There can a pitch no and pitch no. Nyame de nkwache na de bia yetu ehun si o say it's interesting at times we never pay mama dey initiate do yenti we will keep on doing that and I'm praying simply for neba club licensing chairman wababa ko besamba enna na ochina enno na ma yenti ama yenuanom yemba SHS for number o soccer no because any point in time they will bump into us. And we learned that almost 6 matches a day.
Yeah.
About Division 2. The kind of situation they come about over 4 matches a day and it was awful.
Asana Musa bebo FA Cup
and
final.
It's 2 matches. Within 3-4 days in the Oba pitch no recover. But see a training to root level. You be a friend of fertilization, you be a friend of top dressing. Consultants now my guidelines they say and yeah hana me back but I'm working here. Let me jina so nti top dressing fertilization see a German follow na turnable na weeds no. And within this short time, you see me a farmer, and I'm enjoying it.
But me one particular issue now here see.
Yes.
I think say o check media gate ono. Enkunya na essay no.
Yes.
Fura ye bebre e wa ano ho. And amana yihu kakra. And stadium na ho didie de. Metima ka say baby wo no ma. No ni nyame ni mabɔ mo ho moden. Ye da mase. Moshims ni bi won ma sent na ze owura ho no sote onti bi na ehwa hu sisi no sisi ho ne te sei na ada washrooms no so no.
Yeah, that's it. I think say no the only issue I want ho no ketua bi say mo wie phase 1 nanka ideally so mo wie phase 2 wie bibia answer but when it's about kotoko a big thing internet say ko bia so league no omo ma starting team as Sena League in Ekosokrana, few works Ekoso.
Okay.
Now, ye with the sitting capacity no replacement, and your spare ones are few beer, ever say along the line, ya it me, ever replace it. But the hip nego no, say NSA headquarters, any ministry, ever BBFN inventory. And some babe clear say no money to 2 years no, and no go hono.
Okay.
Some babe clear we are either Ombe or Shin or they will give it out for free. That kind of thing they won't pay for in same. That is the stage I want. In Timafia, scoreboard in old one is so eguasio. We cannot temper with a same man penny for Beshe. I saw a biker now wretched. Yeah, grounding the crown and so mobile and on back clear. No more time conti. That is the stage. I know Saint Crown Baby.
Okay.
And more promptly, you have sensitive Musubio. You have Saint or Mabe Clay.
Ye Jemuma, Sompa Diasene, Abu Dhabi.
Mati. My which Mary Medasi, my bridge mapa, but my men call me far for an drink chene kakra. Na. Nah, yeah, say it 0548931931 0548931931 0551931931 0551931931 Sompa Duase the maiden edition. Na I'm ready. Me for you are me about your DNA baby akasefi.
But me 7
But you meet you.
Anana prayer ma woni wabeja fo nyina adwumone adwuma na adwuma pa mo bo ne gana na ya e o tama no ko en empani fo abaso ewo anamo wa mutu afa players mo be sia kan e ma last as no o ma ya de prayer ne ebo se players ne so bana o ma tu ya ba bana
Merase no ndi also de be me pa cho DNA baby akasefi.
Hello, good morning. Fabulous Baba Lajin, Kasafru Haya.
Alaji meet you.
Yeah, warning they say Baba Yara Sports Stadium, the Dia Caf and the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. It says near Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Last 2 years or more band or more close to Baba Yara Sports Stadium. There 2 years to another 2.5 years. And they say $1 million or the same. On the baby, a cap of a bandit. The Dia Bandi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. See Baba Yara Sports Stadium, a stadium, Nankata Antimbo and Nankata Bra. Over pesca to and say they be a buying ho. Because to shed scar to Kotia, in face of Litia, and so they be a negotiate buying so. Sabine Bayara Sports Stadium, my sad and the and supporters in the air warrior or Papa.
Mati, Merason so the out about Udiani baby akasefi.
Oh, dear, that's what he is.
Pacho Brukumbo call there.
Me had the media work.
Me too.
I don't say any my palm mobile. I'm a point show. Which are my men for Akuna, so I'm Fetchia, I'm a brother. I did a lane, I would have. I'm in China, but that's really.
But so Medase, no the other Baba Ramudiani baby akasefi. Oh, mention me Faber Pacho Diani baby akasefi.
Yeah, me touch a friend there, me face it at Tassi.
Pacho meet you.
I can show me first of all the thing besides question back. The question is, the guy said, Omoye interconia in community boom, supporters another school for no, the belly. Some of the media houses reported the belly students no more PI. The question is the person who says Sikano a buy and a buyer, Jumadi Benum Didi. Again, the washrooms of the various stadiums, and I say Baba Yara especially. Yakwa, in fact, and yet, cry. It means so our Kahuas and the Domi PA. And I in the last program, anytime they call Shema to be over Kunyano so basa. There's a woman that be crying too. Sometimes what the whole will be doing so qua not acquire basa. And to Mr. Anna, the major concern last point VIP honor. You say VIP party. A bunny memoir. What to hold my rabbi show in Suta Bo. And to now, so more so home one or more enjoy the VIP. And they didn't say major work here, but let's say, Yakota, I'm confident will not VIP honor or more to keep a second look at it. Let's say, remember, we say the crime and I say, yeah, you're being a shida. Because Yana had and say in Suta now with VIP, so now also ye can.
Yara say, Mamma, me fancy questions in a balloon pinfunia no and fa and mammy. Now, as usual,
Baba Yara Stadium has never been banned.
Okay.
Say, you see, and they say, and you ye into a ban, and I say, the last time I'm saying about Yabani Commons was the way Kotokonia, you can, so you see, and yet in it fault of NSA. This say I won't say I'm not for atrocities. We are not saying the Bani and Bani either. At 78 and say CAF came to do an inspection, and what recommended say yeah I didn't near maybe. And
it's ban behind the baby. And only see young Kobak on some patch.
Yeah.
They are not casting VIP so
but that is the design of the stadium. And he said later on, and very very well. Was into our Pelitum Pennyphone and commentary anymore. That's fine. Well, no, I say major. How can major be the preview?
And also,
that is an observation I have made today, Martin. And we will see, we look at it and then improve it.
Now, quick one. I say maybe school for any games. Sitting and say I'm going to believe more cockroach who's cafe school for no. But
that what is coming.
Well, let me say, destruction of seats. I seem pretty. I'm say 2016 there about BC. I'm a belay or more in 4 installments. I know there any problem. 2019 another one is here. Major one. A huge debt and a woman they buy. Unfortunately, per our records, into a penny as we speak. And I'm say for now that is it. Into Yegusone or Moka. You say we will reach an agreement on that, and then from 14th in the full BNC on Babe started.
Mate, when you say before the Bisha, Yadamase pa, see a ton suffer monosum say mobile modern Samaudona Baba Bedanye. Na Yerisi, Namono Orwani Chema, Nate School of 32, a Dujan fee 4-2 on penalty, so Marinia, or more a call fair common in Dini Abu Dhabi Yamwa, 3 Pia Baba Trans shootout Jumadino, Ebe Remediamao.